What I'm trying to say is that the best time to kick off your freelancing career is when you are still working. Why? I'm not going to discuss the other things, but what I believe is the most important is because of the finances. When you're working full time, you have a stable salary that you're expecting, right? So quitting your job to start freelance is not always a better decision, since you have to pay for, we have bills. Some they do have kids, they have to feed them, send them to school, etc. So don't quit your full-time job just yet, and you can start freelancing on the side. And I will let you know the steps in a while. It will give you a buffer, and that you don't need to take unnecessary risk by quitting your job. So start freelancing part-time even when you're working full-time, because freelancing as a part-time job is a great